Good morning, dear students in grade 10 at Mujtama Private School. How are you? Our lesson today is to complete our reading lesson that we have learned before, 6B, Part 2. Let's start with our school vision. To prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, civic society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology. Our value for this month, dear students, is innovation. And volunteering is the value of the week. Let's start our lesson with this starter. What is your dream and how do you plan for it? Our first objective today is to practice skimming and scanning reading text by deciding which sentence is true or false after reading it on page number 77. First of all, read this sentence. Math is my brother's favorite school subject. Which statement is false and which statement is not mentioned based on the information given? My brother finds math boring. False. My brother did well in the math test. Not mentioned. So you should differentiate between false information and not mentioned information. Well, exercise C, page number 77. Skim the text and answer the following question. Read again and write T for true, F for false, or NM for not mentioned. 1. Eric won first prize in the talent show. Not mentioned. 2. Eric became a professor when he was just 16. Excellent, yes. False. 3. Eric was not always good in other school subjects. True. 4. Universities all over the world offered Eric scholarships. Not mentioned. 5. Eric realized he was stressed when math stopped being relaxing. True. 6. Eric became famous when he appeared on social media for the first time. False. The last question. Eric plans to regain his fame later in the future. False. Copy and correct your answers in the books. Let's move to Objective 2 to identify new vocabulary by guessing the meaning throughout a context. Exercise D, page 77. Look at the highlighted words in the text and match them with their meanings. 1. A very strong interest in something, which means enthusiasm. Yes, great passion. B. Having to do with somebody and their interests. Personal. C. A word which means correctly or right. Yes, properly. A person who is very clever or good at something. Excellent. Genius. The success and attention you get when famous. Fame. A feeling that a lot is expected from you. Yes, great pressure. Check your answers and put them in your book. Now it's time to close our lesson. Answer the following question. According to the text, what are two advantages and two disadvantages of being famous? Look for the answer and scan the text again. Then present your own answer. Dear students, thank you for your kind attention and listening. See you next lesson, inshallah.